Is this what is happening in this country now? Watch this.
I really want this thing that I'm going to say to you. I really want it out there. Mr. Tinubu is one person that does not have the courage to put in people in office or in position that are better than him or bigger than him. Tinubu is threatened by anybody's manliness or womanliness. He looks for someone who ordinarily would never get into a position. He puts that person in position. And you must not dare to aspire beyond what he has given you aspiration for. So you put them in position for you to be able to control them, and then whatever it is you say to them that they do. You've seen it even in some of the appointments that he has made. People that ordinarily are not deserving or anything, put them there. You know that it's not your capacity that brought you here. It's the fact that I want you, so you must play ball. Is that what has worked for the country? Is that what I should not sit down and be afraid of? Someone that is even insecure in himself? That's not courage. That's being cowardly. For example, Obasanjo had the courage to be able to put people in office that he knows will look him in the eye and say, "Oga, this is not how it's going to be." Like a Nasir El-Rufai. You saw Dr. Obi Ezekwesili, who even went to them and said, when they were doing their third term agenda thing, and they put her name in one of the videos, went to them and said no. They stood in front of them and said, "Oga, don't go for this third term." You then will not take it as someone who brings in people and say, "Just sit where I put you." He didn't do that because Tinubu has insecurity issues. Doing the thing in a way that is wrong, then you lock down the system. Is that what we should be applauding? You know what a good leader does? A good leader looks for people who are better than him or her and gives them a vision. They will go on with it.
Election when they need your top ring, but that we are all Nigerians at every time. A country where governance is given, and I tell you, we don't have that country. And Muhammadu Buhari would dare not intimidate us in our own country, because no Nigerian is more Nigerian than any Nigerian. The only reason why I was not on the protest that happened last week was I was on a mission. I had an operation, a major operation. You have to know. They had to be brought in here today to do this, and I will work on that street. There is only one life. Look, may I tell you something? You understand me? We drop this English. Now Niger better babe now be. Die, only one die. Now be there. And then why that die happen, and so that die will be. You understand? If we all have to die for Nigeria to be a better nation, so be it. And I've said this before, and I say it again, and I've said it repeatedly, that revolution is imminent in Nigeria. It is either we have a bloodless revolution or we have a bloody revolution. It is in us to decide what kind of revolution do we want. And for everyone.
Download Find Them now so that you can upload your products and services, so that people go they buy from you steady. Findthamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
When you look at APC Presidential Campaign Committee, when you look at the names of the people in that APC Presidential Campaign Committee, you will find out that many of them have been accused by EFCC of financial crime. Go and check the list. Check the name one by one. Check, Google, read, and see. Many of them have been accused by EFCC of corruption. And those are the people that will be coming to you to ask for your votes. Those are the people that will be talking to you to vote for Mr. President come January 2027.
Onye ha party ọzọ ọbata mkpụkpụ ya iwe go shibọ kpọrọ isi asị ate arụ ọrụ bụ APC ọsọ na babo APC onwe n'obi anọ saba ba apụga onwe ni saba bụ PDP no ba ka shebe nche ate anyị nwere bụ sọsọ APC ejelu na ya ekele mụ na ndị be anyị ebe na ekpekpere ha taa apụga Keminita Lengela, Mokamita, Mokaminilla Lengela, I had Doraka.
For some of us, we still get brain in Nigeria. Can this happen anywhere else in the world? People that have been accused. So APC does not have people that does not have baggage, corruption baggage. So those are the people. Even when you look at the chairman of that committee, former governor of Zamfara State, he was accused of corruption 2021, 2022. Up till now, the case is under the carpet. So when you look at that long list, a list of accused financial crime people, so you that you want to vote for them, don't you think your vote will keep them in power to eat more of your money? Because if new government come now,
upload your products and services on findthamnow.com so that people go they buy from you plenty.
VDM, anyway, the God no go forgive you. You are a big time wicked man. VDM, I spoke to you on the phone. Me and this man talk face to face. When that lawyer, I don't want to call her name. When that lawyer came to meet us in gender, she called VDM. I was inside the lawyer car. Me and VDM, but VDM told me to chat him. I chat this man till today. VDM no reply me. My mommy called VDM. We call VDM office. VDM ravers. They say them be. Waiting they call VDM people. Waiting them they call VDM people. Make una remind me that general name. Ratels. VDM Ratel people. They chat my mommy. They say they want to help me. They want to help me gain justice. That's why I tell story. This one go call me. I go just. Even Mr. Harrison call me. I tell him story. He say in assistant go call me. I go tell him story. The assistant call me. Now I block her. I know they do storytelling again.
Now for the record, when I see things like this, it piss me off. You don't understand? God go help Verydarkman. You see that guy they call Verydarkman? God go help him. Since he has put himself to be the sacrificial lamb, even the lawyer we call you for there, we call Verydarkman for there. You not call the lawyer name. Oh. You didn't involve the lawyer, but you call Verydarkman name. You know why? See finish. How do you set up your camera to blame somebody for not helping you? For problem when you face by yourself. You know somebody can't grape you. You know somebody can't take advantage of you. He there on the office. This man, you don't see him face to face. Even if you see him face to face, one call. You saw him on video call. Maybe I say that call, you don't forget your case. Let them assume say don't forget your case. What was the story behind your case? I hope say not be waiting at the think. I hope say not be waiting at the think. Because she said she and her friend was molested. I don't want to put the word. And the story when I hear behind that thing, one certain time like that, was now one person, I do one, just one person, with knife. I do one. But taking advantage is taking advantage. But the story not clear. What will I go do there? The energy you channel to stop this thing, when you say they drag Verydarkman, when you they swear for her soul. Why you know use that energy, they swear for that boy online? And this, that one go draw international attention. They go see him. Everybody I go, they see him. So, okay. Now, only Verydarkman, they fight for case.
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store. Or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
Pocolee. Bro, I feel so bad for that guy, yo. I feel so bad for the guy, I swear to God. I feel so bad for the guy because you see the case with this guy there. I want to pray one prayer for you. May God not put you in a position where, may you never be in a situation where the only evidence you get na God. God is a helper of man, but you need man for God to help you. And so life just be. If the only evidence you get na God is my witness, bro, if God is your witness, you go cry. Better be crying and you go cry. If God might be your witness, only God is my witness. If only God is your witness, bro, you go cry. Better big fat cry and you go cry. You know understand? See what time they want to record this video. 5:30 a.m. I don't wake up since around 3. I don't do anything. I dey reflect on the issue. So what if na me dey in that Pocolee situation? A lot of people go believe. Say they go even crucify people before the case start. People go talk say with all these things wey you get the teach, if you really do am. You know, see people they won't use when you dey in the situation. That's how you go see a lot of people not really like you like that. They go use that avenue for them to put fire into the fuel. Like which they go online about Pocolee. When they talk say, if you do them now, you know some of these boys, when they don't take all these things, they go do them, all those type of things. You also my own for even worst because they will say, hey, not like woman, not good for them. But there was no place that also not like woman. No. Now you talk on my behalf, oh, they get them now. You said it on my behalf that I don't like woman. The diver say I don't like woman. I don't tell you with my mouth I don't like woman. I be you claim man for my head say I don't like woman. I don't like woman. I get many baby mamas. Don't worry. Now, bro, this is not funny. You know the worst thing about cases like this? Whether you be innocent or you not be innocent, Pocolee go pay a lot. He go lose a lot. He go lose the freedom. He go lose the time. He go lose the reputation. Because before they go even investigate, say, you know, say now the matter still fresh. But get where they go see the investigate. He already did prison already. They don't put her for remand. So now from then now they go court case. People even forget the case. When as time goes on, people don't they get interest again. So later, even when they call it out father say, yeah, not even they safe. Many people don't move on from the case. And
Download Find Them Now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. people will see your services. And anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.